$200 pair of Nikes on your feet right now? It cost the factory less than $8 to build. I know, because I'm an engineer who has studied footwear manufacturing, and what I'm about to show you will change how you look at every sneaker you've ever bought. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where your money goes, why premium shoes are often engineered worse than budget ones, and the 3 brands that are actually worth the price tag. Stay with me, because the last one will shock you. Welcome back to Engineer Speaks. If you're new here, this is the channel where I break down the engineering secrets that corporations spend millions keeping quiet. Today, we're ripping apart the global sneaker industry, piece by piece, material by material. And I'm going to prove to you with real numbers, real material costs, and real factory data that the sneaker industry is running one of the most profitable psychological operations in modern retail history. Let's get into it. Let's start with the math, because the numbers don't lie. A typical pair of premium athletic sneakers retailing for $150 to $200 breaks down like this. The upper material, usually engineered mesh or knit polyester, costs the factory approximately $1.50. The midsole foam, even the fancy ones like EVA or TPU blends, costs around $2 per pair. The rubber outsole averages $1. Laces, insoles, eyelets, and minor components add another 75 cents. Labor in Vietnam or Indonesia, where over 70% of global sneakers are made, costs between $2 and $3 per pair. Add packaging, and you're looking at a total factory cost of roughly $7 to $9 per pair. That same pair then gets sold to you for $200. That's a markup of over 2,000%. Now, before you grab your pitchfork, let me explain where the rest of your money actually goes. Because it's not all profit. And this is where it gets interesting. Out of that $200, roughly $60 goes to marketing. Yes, 60. That's athlete endorsements, Super Bowl commercials, influencer deals, and store displays. When you see a basketball star wearing a signature shoe, you, the consumer, are literally paying their salary. Another $40 goes to retail markup if you buy from a store. Shipping, tariffs, and import duties take about $15. Research and development, which brands love to advertise, actually only accounts for about $5 to $8 per pair. The remaining $70 to $80? Pure corporate profit. So when a brand tells you their shoe is expensive because of innovation, what they really mean is the shoe is expensive because LeBron James needs to get paid. And here's the kicker. The actual engineering difference between a $50 shoe and a $200 shoe is often less than 10% in real performance metrics. Now, this is the part that infuriates me as an engineer. Brands use proprietary names to make basic materials sound revolutionary. Nike's React Foam? It's a polyether block amide blend that's been used in industrial applications since the 1980s. Adidas Boost? It's expanded thermoplastic polyurethane pellets, the same material used in packing foam and car bumpers. On Cloud's Cloud Tech? That's just hollow rubber pods, engineering you could replicate in a college mechanical lab. The truth is, the actual cushioning technology in most premium sneakers has been around for decades. What changes is the marketing name and the color of the foam. I tested this by comparing pressure distribution data from a $40 running shoe against a $180 flagship. And the performance difference in actual impact absorption was roughly 12%. 12% for 4.5 times the price. That's not engineering innovation, that's branding. But let me be fair, because some premium shoes are genuinely better engineered. 3 things actually justify a higher price point. Number 1, carbon fiber plates, like those in racing shoes from Nike Vaporfly or Adidas Adios Pro. These provide measurable energy return of 4 to 6%, backed by peer-reviewed research. Number 2, precision molded midsoles using supercritical foam technology, which actually requires expensive manufacturing equipment and offers a real durability advantage. Number 3, genuine orthopedic engineering, like in Hoka or Brooks models designed for specific gait patterns. Everything else, the colors, the logos, the celebrity collaborations, is paying for image, not performance. If you're buying a shoe to run a marathon, pay the premium. If you're buying it to walk around the mall, you are quite literally setting money on fire. So which brands pass the engineering test? Based on my analysis of materials, construction quality, and price to performance ratio, 3 brands stand out. First, Hoka, because their oversized midsole geometry is backed by actual biomechanical research, and the price increase over competitors is justified by the manufacturing complexity. Second, ASICS, particularly their gel technology, which uses a silicone-based shock absorber that genuinely outperforms standard foam in lateral impact tests. And third, and this one might surprise you, Decathlon's Kiprun line, which uses carbon plate technology at a fraction of the price of Nike or Adidas. Why? Because Decathlon doesn't spend on athlete endorsements, so the savings get passed to you. These are the brands where your money is buying engineering, not marketing. So next time you're standing in a shoe store, staring at a $200 price tag, remember, you're not paying for $8 of foam and fabric. You're paying for a logo, a celebrity, and a marketing department. The engineering inside most premium sneakers is barely better than budget alternatives, and sometimes it's actually worse. If this opened your eyes, hit subscribe, because next week I'm exposing the smartphone industry using the exact same engineering breakdown. And what I found about a certain trillion-dollar company is going to make you question every upgrade you've ever made. Until then, stay curious, stay skeptical, and stay engineered. This was Engineer Speaks.